Nearly 250,000 Burundians have fled to neighbouring countries like Tanzania and Uganda since the political crisis in Burundi began 1 year ago. And now the International Criminal Court says it's going to look into whether to investigate whether crimes against humanity and war crimes have been committed there.
It is a process of analysing the information available to determine whether the applicable legal criteria have been met for the opening of an ICC investigation. According to the Rome Statute, the treaty which governs the court, as prosecutor, I must consider issues of jurisdiction, admissibility, and the interest of justice.
Burundi has been engulfed in unrest since President Pierre Nkurunziza was elected for a third term, which many believe is unconstitutional. The International Criminal Court is only supposed to step in when a country is unwilling or unable to handle a case, and some fear the Burundian judiciary has turned a blind eye.
So now the general prosecutor will be obliged to deliver the content of his files and prove that he had handled it very fairly. And what is the reaction of a family that I have the honor to represent is that we fear that the general prosecutor didn't make his job.
South African President Jacob Zuma has been involved in African Union-sponsored talks for Burundi. The Burundian embassy in The Hague has not been available for comment.
The ICC case against the Kenyan Deputy President William Ruto was dropped at the beginning of the month, which means that the prosecutor of the court has more time and more resources to look into ongoing situations like the one in Burundi. But the preliminary examination could take months before a full investigation is launched. Jack Parrock, SABC News, Brussels.